cleaning the shop with my sister because my husband doesn't have time to organize it. So we're doing it for him. And we're sick and tired of coming in to get a tool and trying to kill ourselves trying to get to said tools. Can't go live on YouTube. Facebook won't let me go live there. This is what you got. So, enjoy. You okay? Kill a vine. Oh.
Try to kill them every so often.
No, I get that.
When they start wrapping themselves around shit.
Yeah. No, I completely get that.
Cotter pins everywhere.
Huh?
Did he dump a drawer of cotter pins?
I hope not. I'm gonna do bodily damage if he did.
It's all over the shelf.
Oh! He dumped a container of pins.
I think he dumped more than one.
Bro! Got to be kidding me.
Ah, shit. Off my head off the belts. Where the fuck's your kid?
I don't know, I heard mommy though. Oh, there he is. Behind the tree spraying the hose.
I couldn't find him.
Spraying the moss in his little car.
I couldn't find him. Where?
Oh. Camera won't let me spin around to show the mess. Of amazing tools. Old tools. Is this, what do we use this sprayer for? Do you know?
Yes, I do. Oh, don't do that.
Let's not kill ourselves with a hammer.
I messed it.
Anywho, we should label this stuff.
It is for this shit. But you know, Rob was too dumb to pick the chemicals up off the floor. That's also why there's a green line. Because he didn't know how to eye measure.
Oh, for
So
crying.
he took, you want to know what he took my coffee for the chemicals.
Oh.
So I can no longer use that.
Oh, the good scooper too.
Uh-huh.
It's a family shop, by the way. But we're sharing, yeah. Plus, it's like generation after generation after generations of families and their tools and the tools they made, and yeah, so.
Speaking of making of tools, I need to find that. I know, I'm very dumb as well.
Speaking of making of tools.
Eva wanted the tool that Papa had made for Mom's chair because she legit stood down here and watched him make it. And it blew her mind because she didn't know that could happen. Or you do that.
Considering it's Eva Mom, yeah, I get it. She didn't know that you can make your own tools.
But it blew her mind even more because it was Papa. And Papa didn't know how Eva was.
Oh.
He didn't know that whole backstory. He just knew Eva's a friend.
My Tony.
Yep.
She will always be my Tony. Family politics. My Tony. Okay. Well, so I'm thinking, do we have enough freaking metal? I'm wondering if I should weld. My battery's running low, so if it dies, we know why. I'm wondering if I should just weld weld the metal we have laying around and make a shelf.
I mean, have you looked behind the shelf?
That's what I'm saying. We have metal laying around. I wonder if I should.
Plenty.
Where's the MIG welder?
Which one?
Any of them. I'm not.
One of them is right here.
Okay. I wonder if it's got. I wonder if the tank's got gas. And I'll weld a shelf together. That'll be another video. Ah, there she be, and she's buried.
Not if you come around this side. It is not.
All right, let me go digging for metal, and I'll make a shelf.
All right.
We got music.
Yeah.
Time to do some sketchy. Psh. All right. So weld a shelf together. Guess we gotta see what's wrong with the shelf first, other than it's falling over. Ooh, lizard. Oh, thank God it was a lizard. Whew. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi. I need to see what part of the shelf is breaking. I agree. I need to see what part of the shelf.
It's the leg.
The leg?
It's the leg. Look, if you look.
The leg.
It's the leg. I want to say back.
So we need to just brace it?
Because see how it sits? It sits.
Right. So I'm wondering if
It sits on dirt, but then it sits on the concrete.
So I wonder if we should brace it.
I mean, we can.
Alrighty. Bet. Creativity brain is a-flowing. What? What? Baby, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going right here. So plan is, oh, well, let me rotate. No. So plan is to take that old cover and turn it into a shelf or brace the shelf. So let's go. This way, kid. Come on, bud. No, this way. No, there's bees over there. Come over here. There you go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Yep.
Don't mind me, honeybee.
Out.
Cause you're gonna get hurt.
Out.
There's pointy, sharpie metals.
You also do not need to be down here while you are wet. It will hurt more if you step on plastic, metal, nor a screw.
Yes.
You'll know when you step on glass or a screw.
Literally.
A nail's gonna be your worst nightmare.
Broken shelf. The shell, what part of it?
I'm not there to play with. Go! Now!
What's your problem, Bob? Yeah, because there's sharp stuff over here. You'll cut your foot. Yeah.
Honey also told him to go because he swung on me.
You don't be swinging on you, honey. You only get one ear, honey.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Here's the new spark plug. You want to set it on top of the spark plug machine?
Yep. Boom. Oh.
What was it? Oh, yeah.
School bus. Yeah, next year you'll ride the school bus. And next year you'll ride a school bus.
You remember when we started putting pipe?
I don't think we had a spot for pipe.
I swore I did. We do.
We do?
It's yeah, I'll show you. Ow. That hurt. We do. Ow. Is it that one or is it behind this one? Is it more? Well, I'm not sure where that went to, but it's right there. Are there sponges stuck to this? What? Why are there socks?
Yes, that sponge is stuck there. That sponge is not.
Socks out no more.
You want a tree, Fabrice?
I do not. You want to hold the shelf?
I will.
It's a thumb.
Yummy. Go some, go some, go some. Oh, hot damn. Yeah, school's out of session. It's okay. School's out of session. Ah.
We'll have to take a scraper to the rest.
It's okay.
Like the adhesive.
It's okay.
There's nothing on the ground anyway. There's a boss flying around my head.
I seen that.
And then I remembered I ain't got a hat on. I can't just whack it.
I got a shield.
I tried to pull my hat off my head, Mary. Here's tapes over here.
Tapes. Oh, cassette tapes.
Did you think I was talking about?
Electrical tape.
I would have called it electrical tape.
Or duct tape.
I would have called it duct tape.
Anything but Scotch tape.
There's another new one. Right, there's some back. Well, that's
Ain't that something? Like a rhinestone cowboy.
spark plug.
Whoop! Yeet!
That's what you thought earlier.
Yes. At least we're not killing each other today.
Well,
Yet.
again.
Okay. Yes.
Again.
Yes. Again. We were getting rid of stuff and ended up smacking each other with things that we were getting rid of. Minus the catch. It'd be like a hoit! Yeet!
There's more be support.
Yeah.
Put them through the wall.